Our company has been successfully manufacturing pharmaceuticals for various purposes for 20 years. We follow the development of science in the field of pharmaceuticals. We analyze and implement new technologies. We constantly update our product line. At our plant we have various equipment for production of medicines, from granulator to self-adhesive labels automatic line. 2 months ago our company was given the task to master the production of an experimental product in 6 months. Tablets for the treatment of liver diseases. The required capacity of the machine is 120,000 tablets per hour. We wanted to buy a tablet press that could produce tablets in different shapes. The tablet press is used for the automatic production of tablets by pressing the tablet mass into molds. There is a large variety of tablet press equipment, laboratory tablet presses, rotary tablet presses, hydraulic and pneumatic models of tablet presses. I have been working at the company as a chief engineer for 15 years. I know the production and the equipment at the plant well. I was entrusted with the search for a tablet press. I started to solve the difficult task by the most popular way, searching on the internet, on the recommendation of my colleagues. The first thing I did was to consult European manufacturers. I independently selected 2 companies that produce tablet presses, one in Italy and one in the Netherlands. Having sent an application to them by email, 3 days later I received a reply from the Italian company, which informed me that it would not be able to supply the machine with the given parameters due to the suspension of production of such a machine. I needed to start production in 6 months, during which time we planned to include the product registration procedure, and so I declined the offer. The other company started talking to me in Chinese, and I ended the conversation. In the end I came to the conclusion that I would not be able to choose a tablet press on my own, and decided to go to a specialist. I needed a professional who would give me complete information about the machine, its capabilities, test the equipment on our raw material, tell me about the terms of delivery. It was decided not to consider Chinese intermediaries from the very beginning, because often manufacturers from China have their own direct representatives. I did not want to go through this stage all over again, so I decided to turn to Russian intermediaries for help. I made the choice of a specialist, based on the following criteria: long period of work in the market of pharmaceutical equipment sales, positive customer feedback, the availability of information on the company's website, and convenient terms of delivery of the machine. According to these parameters, I selected 4 companies. Having sent to all of them by email, I still have not received a response from 2 companies. One company from Krasnoyarsk warned that they do not have their own adjuster, and the whole procedure to install the equipment must be done independently. This option did not suit me. The manager from Moscow was able to quickly give me a competent and constructive answers to my questions. I liked the business-like approach of the specialist. The manager was polite, asked a lot of clarifying questions about the characteristics of raw materials, the required capacity of the equipment, what forms of pills are planned for production. After a preliminary telephone consultation, the specialist suggested a rotary tablet press with a capacity of 125,000 tablets per hour. I coordinated this option with the management of our company, and we concluded a contract for the delivery of the selected machine. My order was delivered within the time specified in the contract. The powder is loaded into the press through a funnel-shaped hopper. It can be easily removed, rinsed and put back in. The powder is fed from the hopper through a feeder. As the press rotor rotates, the powder is fed inside the matrix, where it is pressed, and then the finished tablet is pushed to the surface. There is a control unit on the body of the press. I was pleased with the result of the work done. Perhaps I would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the route of selecting the machine myself. Experience has shown that I was right to ask a professional to help me select the equipment.